What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Verasity VRA, which has pumped up a massive 20% in the last 24 hours, and it is currently trading at 0.006811 cents. And as you guys can clearly see, not only today but over the last week or so, it has been consistently hitting green candles and has gained a huge amount of value. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep going? Is it going to crash anytime soon? And mainly focusing on, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? If you've already invested into it and are on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it time to hold on to it before it goes up in value over the coming hours, days and so on, potentially hitting the 1 cent target over the coming weeks? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months and overall in 2023. How high and how low can this crypto go, and is it worth investing into it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is down 2.5% in the last 24 hours. However, we do have VRA in the top gainers list, as it has been gaining quite a decent amount of value. So in the last hour itself, it managed to gain nearly 4% in value. Over the last day, 24%. Over the week, a massive 80% in a single week, guys. As you guys can see, major increases earlier on last week, mid to last week as well, and it is still ongoing. And over the month, 66%. You can see most of the time it was fluctuating around this value here, all the way up until late September, where it started to pump in value, and is still going on. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 7%, making it $41 million in trading. However, because it's pumping right now, it is likely to, this red here will turn into green over the coming hours, and we will see more and more people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot more people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Verasity, which is here in purple at 0.004406 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.006736 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the orange line looking very steep, heading upwards towards the bullish direction, which is clearly not realistic. And we've got the blue line slightly slanting towards the negative direction, heading towards the bearish side, which is much more realistic. So guys, over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, do expect Verasity to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, especially after the major increase that's taken place. It is likely to take a little bit of a step back, potentially dropping down to 0.006 cents is what I'm expecting from Verasity by midday tomorrow. But that doesn't mean it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher, above 0.007 cents over the coming hours, before it starts to drop back down in value in the early hours of tomorrow. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've still got the blue and the orange line heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive and very steep, which once again means it's not realistic, as it's way too steep, guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting Verasity to have gone through again an overall minimal increase in value. So nothing major, nothing too crazy, potentially hitting about 0.0075 cents is what I'm expecting, especially after the drop that's going to take place over the next 12 to 24 hours. After that, it is likely to slowly and steadily gain value up to about 0.0075 cents. But again, that doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is obviously going to hit red days in between here and there, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? So here we've got the blue and the orange line, still looking bullish, still looking positive, heading upwards. Again, guys, it is looking way too steep to be realistic. So once again, this is not realistic at all, especially that over the last week it has been consistently hitting green candles. The graph thinks it's going to carry on that way, so on and so on. However, that is not true. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late November 2023, I'm expecting Verasity to have hit the 1 cent target. Yes, to some of you guys this may sound crazy, but with minimal increases over the next couple of weeks, I'm expecting Verasity to hit the 1 cent target. Even if not in November, we should be able to hit that towards the very end of the year in December, depending on how the crypto market performs. If we can manage to stay on the green side, that is including Bitcoin hovering over the $30,000 mark, then Verasity should also be able to hit the the 1 cent target by the end of the year. But again, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we are nowhere near the green resistance zone here. It's going to require us to hit the 2 cents target to hit the resistance target, which I'm not expecting from Verasity for at least the next 12 months, guys. So potentially we are going to be stuck in the red zone for the next year or so, but that doesn't matter. As long as we can slowly and steadily gain value up to the green zone, we should be good to go. But at the moment, we are going to be stuck in the red zone. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on VRA. Let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys are expecting Verasity to hit in 2023. We only got 3 months left for the end of the year, so comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.